Hello everyone, welcome back to another video lesson with Joshua's guitar, and today we're learning how to use chromatic enclosures in our blues guitar playing. So let's get to it. Okay, so a chromatic enclosure is basically what we're going to do is we're going to pick a note. So we're going to be in key of B flat, so I'm going to pick the D note right here. And I'm going to play the notes around it, so 1 fret in front, 1 fret behind. Okay, so for the first example, we're going to do that. So we're going to go 1 fret in front, so 8th fret G string, 6th fret G string, that's the note behind, and then 7th fret G string. Okay? Okay, and so that's how I'd use it. So if we're in playing blues. So basically the same thing. 8, 6, 7, and then 8th fret on the D string. Okay, so our next example, our target note is going to be the same. That D note on the 7th fret of the G string. This time I'm going to add another note. I'm going to add the E note on the 9th fret of the G string. And there's several ways that you can do this or play it. You can go hammer on, you can slide, you can pick it. But essentially it's the same idea. So we're starting on the 8th fret, so 8th fret G string, 9th fret G string. And then we're going 6 to 7. Okay. And if you wanted to add another note to that, there it is. So same idea here, 8, 9, but now I'm going to the 5th fret of the G string, 6, 7, and then to the root note, which is on 8th fret of the D string, B flat. Okay, so the next lick, we're going to move over to a different note now, and that's going to be the 6th fret on the high E string, and we're going to start here on the 8th fret of the high E string. Okay, so we're starting on 8th fret, 8th fret high E string, 7th fret high E string, and we're starting 4, 5, 6, okay? So 8, 7, 4, 5, 6, and then bending B string 9th fret, bend that up, 6th fret on the B string, walking down this minor pentatonic scale, so 8 G string, 6 G string, 8 on the D string. Okay, so again, that's gonna be it for this lesson of Joshua's Guitar. If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure you like this video. And if you enjoy the content here at Joshua's Guitar, make sure you subscribe and click the bell notification so you don't miss any new videos that I post. And thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.